Welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to unlock the secrets of the universe by diving into the fascinating topic of calculating the distance of stars from Earth. So, how do scientists measure these mind-boggling distances? Let's find out. Firstly, astronomers use a technique called parallax. This method relies on something called triangulation. Imagine you're holding your thumb up and closing one eye. Now, switch eyes and notice that your thumb appears to be in a slightly different position. By measuring this shift, astronomers can gauge the distance of a star from Earth. However, this method is only effective for stars relatively close to us. For more distant stars, another technique called spectroscopic parallax comes into play. This method involves studying the star's spectrum and using its characteristics to determine its absolute magnitude. By comparing this magnitude to its apparent magnitude, astronomers can calculate its distance. But what about stars that are even farther away? For those, scientists employ the cosmic distance ladder. It's like climbing a staircase, with each step revealing new information. The ladder starts with nearby stars, then moves on to Cepheid variables, which pulsate at a known rate. By studying the variations in their brightness, scientists can determine their distances. The next rung on the ladder takes us to supernovae explosions, which unleash enormous amounts of energy. By measuring the light emitted from these explosions, scientists can establish the distance to their host galaxy. And finally, for the most distant objects, astronomers use redshift. As the universe expands, light waves become stretched, shifting to longer, redder wavelengths. By measuring this redshift, scientists can calculate the distance to galaxies billions of light years away. It's truly mind-blowing how scientists are able to unravel the mysteries of the universe and calculate the distance of stars from Earth. Through parallax, spectroscopic parallax, the cosmic distance ladder, and redshift, they continue to push the boundaries of human knowledge. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through space and time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more mind-expanding content. Stay curious and keep exploring.